Okay, opening day. I got this.
What type of things are you packing now?
Garmin GPS. Dude, toilet paper. You always freaking need toilet paper. You kick yourself if you don't load your thing, hunt bag with toilet paper first at the start.
Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees.
I don't think he'll need him, but we bring him just in case. Okay. Oh, hold on.
Take me home to the place I belong.
Count him.
West Virginia.
Count
Mountain Mama. Take me home.
All right.
Country road. All my memories gather round her.
The birds should be waking up, going up to eat. There's alfalfa and hay up on top there.
Painted on the sky, misty taste
Oh,
of moon.
hold on. Did you see it already? Hold on, get him. Well, put the collars on the dogs.
Big brother Katniss? Big sister Katniss? Really?
Seriously.
No.
Yeah,
Seriously?
seriously.
No. Oh wow. I just thought it was from the wedding.
No,
Seriously?
seriously.
Yesterday.
God, I'm horrible at keeping secrets. I'm like, okay, act natural. I'm just gonna be distracted and
Check the mail, check the mail, check the mail.
I'm never excited for the mail.
Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia.
Happy dogs, happy, 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 happy. That's really what this is about. It's not killing stuff. It's about getting out and being outside with somebody that you enjoy and working with your dogs and having that relationship with them.